Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to make an easy lavender and vanilla sugar scrub. This sugar scrub is super easy and affordable, and it is wonderful smelling. So first things first, I thought it'd be really nice to add some dried lavender to my scrub. So I'm out in my garden basically harvesting the lavender, which I'm going to dry out, and then I'm going to remove from the stems. And I think I'm going to add this to the sugar along with the coconut oil just to kind of spice it up and give it a little bit more richness. You don't have to do this. You can or if you do and you're not growing lavender, you can easily pick up some lavender at your local grocery store or a florist, dry it, and go ahead and remove it. And how to dry any herbs I have over on my blog, so make sure you check that out. So there are a lot of different carrier oils, and a lot of different carrier oils do many different things and have many benefits. I am going to use coconut because I find it to be very moisturizing, especially during the late summer, early fall, when our skin kind of dries out and whatnot. So I'm applying the lavender buds into my sugar, and I'm going to decorate it with some twine and a label. And once my sugar and buds are all in the bowl, there's my coconut oil. I'm going to use lavender, like I said, essential oil, and vanilla. This essential oil company is a little bit pricey, but I think it's a great price point for what I am looking for as far as natural products. So I'm applying the coconut and I'm applying my essential oils right into a large mixing bowl. And that's it. That's all the ingredients you need. Basically mix it and put it in these little glass jars or any type of jar. These ones I picked up at the Dollar Tree, literally for $1, labeled them and put some twine on it and some dried lavender, and it makes a pretty gift or a great scrub for your shower. So everything is nice and combined and wonderful. Oh, we forgot to add the lavender, so that's what we are doing here. And then we're gonna go ahead and put it in our glass jars. Sugar scrubs are great because they moisturize your skin, they remove dead skin cells, and they smell amazing, and they're just luxurious. They're wonderful to have in the shower or the bath, and they're wonderful if you decorate them nice as a gift. So I highly recommend doing this, guys, because this is just, every ingredient that's going into this jar, every ingredient that's going onto your body, and this is just a great way to bring natural beauty products into your home. And you can also use this scrub on children. Now remember, when you're using a sugar scrub, you want to make sure you don't do it after you shave or apply it in any sensitive areas. So your back is great, your arms, your neck, your feet, and do it on your legs, of course, before you shave. So I'm applying this to my hands. I keep this in our main bathroom to remove any dead skin or whatnot on my arms and hands after a long day, and giving it a good rinse. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a like, comment if you enjoyed it, subscribe, and share this video with anyone you know. Thank you.